Hello, this is Erin from Bridgeville in Southfield Township Libraries. Today we are going to make a bunny bug craft. Let's see what we'll need for this activity. To begin, I'm going to take some of my artificial greens and I'm going to use my scissors and just cut them down to a smaller size. And I just want them to kind of fit nicely in my pot and make it look full. But I also want to leave some room for my pom-pom. And my pom-pom will sit, you can see, close to one of the sides. So I just want to arrange my flowers, keeping that in mind. So I'll do that now and come back. I have the greenery in my pot arranged. So the next step is to add my large pom-pom. I'm going to arrange it how I like near one of the edges. And then I will add a little bit of glue on the inside edge and then press my pom-pom into place. And once that's done, I'm going to take my small pom-pom, put it on the top of that one so that it looks like the tail of the bunny. And then I'll glue that into place as well. And once I'm done with that, we'll move on to adding feet to our bunny. I'll be back in just a minute. Now it's time to add feet to your bunny. So I just used some felt, and you can see I cut an oval and then cut some smaller pieces of felt to make the pads of my bunny's feet. And I glued it to the pot itself, but I made sure that part of the bunny's foot was up onto the pom-pom and then part was on the pot. So it looked like the bunny's feet were hanging over the edge of the pot. And that's all there is. Thank you for tuning in and have a great day, everyone.